turn yours off and then we'll turn yours on back on. Like when you're videotape it, then we'll turn it back on.
Okay.
What are you guys doing?
We're just gonna watch.
Is there gonna be fire coming out?
No.
Alright, start recording. Tell them what kind this is.
Okay, guys.
Okay, no. Okay, guys, this is the Fast and the Furious.
Shut up. Shut up. No. This is a 99 Dodge Dakota. Car. And we're in a fireworks alley. And I got Flowmaster 40 whatever. Flowmaster 40 series, and he's gonna turn it on for me.
Yeah, you will. Is that it? Is that all? Is that all?
Kick ass!
Yeah! Sige na!
Sige!
Papalawin kita!
And then this?
Dodge Ram 1500, 318, no muffler, straight pipes, dual exhaust.
What a...
With a 451 cam.
Did you say the 318?
I don't know. Oh yeah?
Jump! Join us next time on Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift. Yeah! Yeah! What?